Welcome to our quick guide on the Agile Manifesto, the foundation of Agile philosophy used widely in software development and project management. The Agile Manifesto is built on 4 key values. First, Agile values individuals and interactions over processes and tools. It's the people who make projects happen, and their interactions are key to success. Second, Agile prioritizes working software over comprehensive documentation. The goal is to create software that works and meets users' needs, rather than getting bogged down in extensive documentation. Third, Agile emphasizes customer collaboration over contract negotiation. It's about ongoing collaboration with customers throughout the development process, rather than just negotiating project details upfront. And fourth, Agile values responding to change over following a plan. Agile teams are flexible and adapt to changes to meet the project's needs, rather than rigidly sticking to a plan. And that's the Agile Manifesto in a nutshell. Remember, while Agile values the items on the left more, it doesn't mean the items on the right are not important. It's all about finding the right balance. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more Agile insights.